Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you some of the special strategy of Facebook automation which have multiple advantages. Let us start with the ultimate tool for Facebook marketing. In today's competitive digital marketing world, reaching your target audience on the Facebook is crucial for the business. Introducing the Reach Oval, the ultimate tool to design to revolutionize the way you market in the Facebook. With the help of this platform, you can easily and effortlessly engage your target audience, which helps in generating the 10 times more sales while minimizing your efforts and increasing your sales. Let us explore some of the incredible features of this platform. Feature number 1, increase the appointments. This tool empowers you to increase your appointment bookings by connecting you with the right audience on the Facebook. Simply choose a Facebook group or post and extract the relevant audience based upon the special keywords in their profile bios. Feature number 2, validate your idea. So, validating your business idea with the confidence using Reach All platform. By analyzing the competitors' Facebook groups and ads, you can extract valuable insights and discover the hot leads, enabling you to start meaningful conversations and gain valuable feedback. Feature number 3, improve the revenue. Increase your revenue potential with the Reach Oval's advanced capabilities, identifying and promising the link building opportunities which can boost your website's visibility and drive more traffic, ultimately leading to increased conversations. Feature number 4, find early customers. Gain a competitive advantage by finding the early customers through Reach Ovals, which means you can target who are already interested in your industry or niche, which allows you to establish your brand presence and build a lower customer base from the start. Feature number 5, steal your competitors. Literally, take your social selling to the new heights with this platform by easily locating your competitors' Facebook groups and posts or ads, etc. You can extract the valuable data and uncover the potential customers who may be dissatisfied with the current choices. Start a meaningful conversations and position your brand as a compelling alternative. Feature number 6, send message sequence for the Facebook DMs. This tool also provides a powerful messaging tool which allows you to send personalized message sequences directly to your audience's Facebook inbox or through the friend request. Stay connected, nurture, and build relationships and drive conversations effortlessly. Feature number 7, built-in analytics. Stay informed and make data-driven decisions with this platform. Monitor the performance of your campaigns, track who responds to friend requests or message campaigns, and gain valuable insights which helps you in refining the strategy. So this is your ultimate tool in the Facebook marketing. Take your business to the new heights, generate more leads, and skyrocket your revenue effortlessly. I'm going to explain step-by-step tutorial to know how to use this tool efficiently. Stay tuned. So guys, in this video I'm going to explain step-by-step tutorial on how to use this tool for the efficient use. So first of all, you need to go to here, Reach Oval website. This is the dashboard of the tool, guys. You can see here. So you need to log in. If you don't have any account, you need to register the account. It is loading still. So here you can see here, guys, this is the dashboard of the tool. There are different options like campaigns, mentions, and message queue, and team option and setting option. So later we can discuss all these things. So initially, the main important thing is campaigns and mentions tool. So it is also a social monitoring tool. Reachall is not a Facebook automation only; it is also monitor tool also, which is like listening, social listening tool. I will explain. Whenever you click on campaigns, you need to head out to create your first campaign. Here there will be different options will become. So at present, right now, only Facebook automation is there, and Instagram, Quora, and other things are coming soon. Uh, so here you can see different options are there. So you can select any of it. I'm just selecting Facebook group members. So whenever I selected group members, they will be appear different groups. So you can select any group. For example, I'm selecting this group. Here there are two options, like send message sequence and send friend request. Here you can send the friend request as well as message, but here you can send message sequence like one message by message. So for example, I'm just showing how does both works. So just click on send message sequence. So here you can see title campaign demo 1, and who you can select who who is running campaign. And daily, as Facebook has like limit of 50 members, 50 DMs. If you send more than 50 DMs, it may block your profile according to the recent term and conditions. So it is better to send below 50 messages. So I'm just selecting 5. And the keywords, whenever you select any group, you need to mention whom you are targeting into. For example, in this video I'm going to target about like and this group I can target about video editors. So here you can write video editors, and you can also mention keyword video, something like that. So once you can give up to 9 keywords, and you can also exclude the audience by keywords if you don't want to uh, extract or send a friend request or message sequence to students. So you can include here, and you can also see here send message to the new prospects only. For the new users or new and old users, you can choose the option. For example, I'm just selecting new users only. Then you need to just click on next. So it will appear name. Here first name will be there, and you can also see here you can also target full name or last name or middle name. So it's depend upon your wish. So once you selected, you can send a message like I saw you in the video editing group, something like that. And you can also send multiple messages depends of uh, duration of the time interval up to maximum 1440 minutes, which is like 1 day. 0 to 1440 between you can send time limit between you can send messages like after maybe 1300 minutes. Did you saw my message, something like that. So once you send multiple things, you can also add here links also, group links or purchase links, anything you can add it over here. So once it's done, you can just send save, and there are two options: create don't run and start my campaign. You can choose anything. I'm just choosing create but don't run. You can see here it is scanning profiles. Once it's done, it will appear over here. And I also paused the campaign. So here you need to keep running the campaign. So in this way, this option will work, guys. You can see here, just go to campaigns and you can see here, it is scanning the number of profiles. Once it done, if any message is sent, it will show you as a sent and replied and message queue. So you can select in this process, in this thing. It will take some time, and duration of every 5 minutes it will go to messages. So I'm just showing another campaign, another type of campaign. So I'm just deleting this type, or else you can edit it anytime. You can edit the campaign. So as you can also change the sequences and everything. So in this way this option will works. Similarly, I am creating another campaign just to show you. Send a friend request, you can see here same. Like that, you need to select the keywords. And also here you can see here only send the friend request when you send the friend request, when they accept the friend request. So here there will be no message sequence. That means you cannot able to send message sequence. You just need to send. You can see here. So save, create by dot. Again it will show some of the profiles. So in this way this option will work. And coming to next option, you can see here different options like available, like Facebook post reactions, add comments, Facebook video comments, Facebook friends. So here you can see Facebook post. You can copy paste any URL of the ad. Guys, here you can paste the URL of the post or add link. So once you done it, you just go to next option, and meanwhile I just took the link of this ad. So whoever interacted, like the post or commented, so everything will be extracted, and automatically you can send the message sequence for those who reacted in the send message sequence, and automatically you can send friend request over here. So similarly, you can also send messages or friend request to people who commented on the post or video post. If any particular video is there, whoever commented, you can also send request and messages. And you can also in this Facebook friends, you need to give the ID of the of your friend. If any ID you given, like for example, I have a friend, I just given the Facebook profile of his URL. So friends like that person friends, for every one of them I can send messages and I can send friend request. So this is the option, guys, in the coming campaigns. Coming to the mentions, here you can see here. So here you can let's track your first mention. Just here also there are different options are there. As you can, as I said you, like LinkedIn groups, Quora and Twitter, everything is coming on. So here Facebook groups. So for example, you can select video editing, like these things. Status active and inactive status keep on active, and send to click on next. Here it will be asking you can select up to 5 groups. So you can click on 5 groups, like I'm just selecting different groups. So once you selected different groups, just click on save. That's it. So you can see here, these are the keywords which are given: video and video editing. So whenever anyone posted about video or video editing, it will automatically trigger over here, guys. So this is the mentions option. So coming to the, you can see here, this is the my team. So you can create your own team by clicking on settings and team members. You can add uh, multiple members, depends upon your plan. As an agent or super admin, agent have limitations, but super admin doesn't have any limitations. So guys, here I'm just showing the campaign whichever I run. You can see here, guys, this is the number of messages I have sent. You can also see the duration available, like one message is sent 6:49, 6:44, 6:39. So for every 5 minutes interval, it is automatically sending messages, guys, without human interventions. So in this way, you can send multiple messages without manually, without having any kind of manual works. So this will be definitely worthy, guys, for you to promote your products or services, anything. Also, there is a free trial available here, guys. You can see here 14-day trial. You can try this tool and let me know how is your experience in the comments. Thank you.